In the last video, I showed you my daily AI workflow, and I said this system can become income ready. Let me explain what that actually means, without hype. AI does not create money. It creates clarity. Clarity improves output, and better output creates opportunity. Most people try to use AI to chase trends, new tools, new hacks, new promises. That's unstable. Income comes from systems, not excitement. First path, career leverage. If your emails are clearer, your research is faster, and your thinking is structured, you become more valuable. AI doesn't replace your job, it makes you sharper at it. Second path, service support. Writers, consultants, virtual assistants, creators. AI reduces the time it takes to deliver quality work. Less time per task means higher margin. Third path, building assets, content, templates, systems. You use AI to think clearly, structure ideas, and produce consistently. Over time, that becomes an asset. This is not crypto, not automation bots, not overnight success. It's small improvements, repeated daily. If you can think better, decide faster, and produce clearer, you become economically stronger. Next, I'll break down one realistic path step by step. How to use this workflow to build a simple income stream without quitting your job. If you want practical systems, subscribe.